Alright, hello everybody. Today we're here doing a break for the 2011-2012 Panini Titanium single box. 5 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Here we go. Okay, first pack. Base card, Vander Kane, Evgeny Malkin base. And we have a game-worn gear for Ryan O'Reilly. Second pack. Base. And we have another game-worn gear for Steve Ott. Steve Ott. Pack 3. Something a bit better here. So we have a base. Let's do it slowly here. Base. Where are we going here? All right. So we have there we go. We have numbered 11 out of 25. We have a complete jersey for Shea Weber. 11 out of 25. Patch, Fight Strap, Prime standard jerseys. Very nice. Pack 4. There we go, base, and we have a, okay, nice. We have a Titanium Reserve autograph for the Ottawa Senators, Craig Anderson. Space. Very nice. For the Boston Bruins, we have a private signings. Cam Neely. Very nice. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and visit us at www.outoftheboxbreaks.com for all the information on our group breaks, and we'll see you next time. Take care.